Have you ever wondered whether food safety is actually a good career? Maybe you're a student studying food science, microbiology, biotechnology, agriculture, or engineering. Or perhaps you are already working in the food industry and thinking about moving into quality or food safety. You probably have questions like: is there good job security? Can I earn good salary? Is there room to grow? Are there opportunities to work internationally? So if you all have these type of questions, then in this video I will answer all of those questions and help you decide whether food safety is the right career for you. So let's get started. Before you talk about careers, let's understand what food safety actually means. Food safety is about ensuring that the food people consume is safe, legal, and produced under controlled conditions. Every food company, whether it's making bread, dairy products, beverages, meats, chocolates, frozen foods, or ready to eat meals, needs professionals who understand food safety. And without them, companies risk product recalls, customer complaints, legal action, and damage to their reputation. So that's why food safety professionals play such an important role in the food industries, and that's where the job came. So, the short answer to this question: is there demand worldwide or not? So, the short answer is yes. Every country has food manufacturers. Every manufacturer need to comply with food safety regulations and customer requirements. Many companies also work toward internationally recognized food safety certification schemes, which is GFSI, which increases the demand for trained food safety professionals. So the industry continues to grow because the global food safety supply chain is the global food supply chain is expanding. Consumer expect safer food than ever before. Governments continue strengthening food regulations. Retailers require suppliers to meet strict food safety standards. And exporting companies often need internationally recognized certification. This means opportunities exist not only in your own country but also internationally if you build the right skills and experience. So now which industry hire food safety professionals? One of the biggest advantage of this career is its diversity. Food safety professionals work in many different sectors including dairy processing, meat and poultry, seafood, beverage manufacturing, bakery and confectionery, fruits and vegetables, frozen foods, ready to eat meals, food packaging, ingredient manufacturing, pet foods, food distribution and logistics, and many more. Beyond manufacturing, there are opportunities in certification bodies, food safety consulting, laboratory testing, government regulatory agencies, retail quality assurance, hospitality and catering, and training organizations. So, this variety means you don't have to stay in one type of company throughout your career. And what does career growth looks like in this profession? So one of the reasons many professionals choose food safety is the clear career progression. A typical path might look like this: like you just graduated and you joined as a graduate trainee, and then you moved to quality control technician, then to quality assurance officer, then to coordinator or manager, and then a quality manager for a team, and after that regional food safety and corporate food safety director. These are the typical pathway in every countries. This is the typical pathway in almost all of the food safety companies. Some professionals also move into consulting, auditing, or training where they help multiple companies improve their food safety systems. So, as you gain experience, your responsibilities often shift from inspections and documentation to leadership, coaching, and strategic decisions making. Now the question is the job stable in today's marketing where there are so many layoffs? Is this job stable? So food safety is generally considered a stable professional because companies cannot simply decide to stop managing food safety. Food manufacturers must continue meeting regulatory requirements, customer expectations, and certification standards regardless of economic condition. So while no career is completely immune to market changes, organizations still need qualified people to maintain compliance, conduct internal audits, investigate issues, train employees, and prepare for customer or certification audits. Professionals who continue learning and adapting tend to remain in demand. Now, whenever we think about profession and stability, we usually think about salary, whether the salary is good or not. So, salary depends on several factors like the country you are living in or applying, industry, company size, experience, qualification, certification, your skill level, and leadership responsibilities. In many regions, entry level roles provide a solid starting income, while experienced managers, auditors, and consultants can earn significantly more. If you develop expertise in areas such as HACCP implementation, food safety management systems, auditing, or training, your earning potential generally increases over time. It's best to research salary range specific to the country or region where you plan to work, as compensation varies widely around the world. And if you're thinking what skills will make you successful, so here is the answer. Technical knowledge is very important. But employers also value professionals who can solve problems, communicate effectively, work with production teams, lead improvement projects, analyze risk, train others, stay calm during audits, pay close attention to details. The most successful food safety professionals combine technical expertise with strong people skills. So, the question to you, is food safety the right career for you? If you enjoy science, solving problems, improvement processes, protecting consumer, working with people, and continuous learning, then food safety could be a very rewarding career. It's a profession where your work has a real impact, helping ensure the people eat every day is safe. Food safety officer Food safety offers a combination of meaningful work, opportunities for career growth, and the chance to work across many different sectors of the industry. Like any profession, success comes from continuous learning, gaining practical experience, and developing both technical and leadership skills. If you are just starting your journey, focus on building a strong foundation in food safety principles like HACCP. Those fundamentals will support your career no matter which role you choose. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel. In the next video, we will explore how to get your first job in the food safety even if you have no experience.